Hello, techies. We are in lab 1.3. That's lab. I'm going to create a home wireless network. So you are working on a small home office network. The homeowner recently changed their internet service provider and has an existing internet router connected to an RJ45 jack on the wall plate. They would like to connect the laptop to the internet with a wireless connection. You need to create a wireless network. Okay, so in this lab, your task is to, so we have our tags here. We're going to connect power to the wireless access point and connect the access point to router using Ethernet cable. Connect the homeowner laptop to the wireless network and configure homeowner's laptop to connect automatically to home net-AC wireless network. Okay, so we start lab, and if this video appears to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace, match every move I make. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible for you all. So we open the wireless access point, and the first task is to place a wireless access point on the computer desktop, and these are the details. So we follow the details. Let's see. I'll close this. The details has to match the details given in the tax pane. So let's see. Yeah, this matches the details of the wireless access point that we need. And so this is the access point, and this is it here. So the next task is to connect power to the wireless access point. So this is the power for the access point. So we bring it in here and we plug it into, turn this access point to the back, and we plug in the power in here, and then we plug this in here also. Okay, this is plugged in, and we'll plug, let's see, connect the Ethernet cable. So here's the Ethernet cable. We'll plug in one end here into the Ethernet port, and the other end is going to go into let's see the cable. Okay, all right, so let's see. Okay, okay, so this other end is going to go into, let's bring this down, it's going to go into the Ethernet port of this. So last task is to enable homeowner's laptop to connect to a wireless network. Okay, so we'll go to the laptop area. This is the laptop. Let's turn this on. The wireless network is turned on now, and we enter into the laptop and connect it to homeowners. Go into the network, so home net AC. We connect this and we connect it, so they connect automatically. We click connect. All right, so go back, and I guess we're done with this lab. If this video was helpful, remember to share in other platforms so that other students can benefit also. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I will definitely see you in the next video.